As the Chinese New Year draws near, Macau has put up festive decorations across the city and staged multiple events. Next, let's take a look at the traditional Chinese New Year market and celebrations of children at school.
The Lunar New Year market is a tradition of Macau Special Administrative Region. This year, the market was opened on Tuesday at the Tap Seek Square of Macau. Over a score of stalls were set up with the theme of Tiger, selling food, festival gifts and flowers. Visitors can also enjoy fun games.
现在疫情嘛，当然那些人流没有之前往年那么多，可是澳门政府还是做得不错的，就那些健康码做得不错，所以其实影响也不大，就一点点影响而已吧，我觉得。
Schools across Macau have also organized activities for children to welcome the Lunar New Year. At the kindergarten affiliated to the Cao Yip Middle School of Macau, children dressed up in traditional Chinese clothing for the catwalk and challenging dragon and lion dances. They also made glutinous rice balls, a traditional festival food.
我喜欢吃汤圆和水饺，我喜欢参加舞龙的活动。
The tourism office of the Macau SAR government said Macau will also stage parades in February to celebrate the Chinese New Year. The event, to be held on the 3rd day and the 12th day of the Lunar New Year, will involve 14 floats and 22 mainland and local performance teams.
那我觉得这些活动呢，实际上一方面体现出了这个澳门特区政府对于疫情防控的一个信心，第二个呢，就是体现出了澳门特区政府对于旅游市场发展稳定的一个很坚定的一个决心吧。